what's up guys, in today's video we will be creating how to create this kind of design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. You can change its color, you can also change the text, and the best thing is you can also use your logo. If you want to download this project file, check the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. First of all, create new document. Size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Create a gradient adjustment layer. Click on this drop down menu and select this black and white gradient. Now click here to edit it. Select this point and change its color to your liking. Now select this slider and change its color. I am going with this bluish tone, but you can choose any color that you like. Change its angle to 45 and increase its scale to about 220% and then hit OK. Delete this background layer because we don't need it. Let's create new layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection just like this. Now check this option so that we can add selection to the previous selection and then make a random selection just like this. Select the pen bucket tool. Make sure your foreground color is white. Click on it to fill it with a white color. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now pick the move tool. Hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag it to the right to duplicate it. Repeat this process few times to fill the whole canvas. When it is done, select all of these layers, right click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Let's rename it Waves. Now press Ctrl T to open Transform tool. Rotate it and resize it so that it will fill the whole canvas. Confirm it when you are happy. Now go to Filter, Distort and choose Waves. Follow these settings and hit OK. Let's drop down its opacity to 10%. Now the background is ready. Select the Type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Click on this icon to confirm it. Select the Move tool and align it to the center. Also convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Right click on it and choose blending option. First of all, drop down its fill to 0% and then click on color overlay. Blend mode is normal, the color is black and the opacity is 5%. Click on inner shadow. Blend mode is multiply, select a dark bluish color. Opacity is 80%, angle is 135, distance is 30 and the size is 60. Click on bevel and emboss. Style is inner bevel. Technique is smooth, depth is 200%, size is 1, angle is 90, altitude is 30, highlight mode is multiply, the color is black and opacity is 20%. Shadow mode is linear Dutch add, color is white and the opacity is 40%. Follow these settings and then hit OK. And now it is done. Let's create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of it. And by moving the slider, we can change its color. I think this color is looking great, so let's leave it right here. You can also edit it. Double click on this layer, it will open in the document. Here you can replace your logo. Close the document and save it. Photoshop will update everything for you. So that's it for today guys. If you wanna learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next one. Till then, peace.